Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in back to my channel, Bobby Rose DIY Home. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing and liking my videos. Don't forget to share to all your friends. Thank you so much for all the love you showed me. In this video, we're going to be doing a glam clock. Mine is pretty simple, but you can make yours as glitzy as you want. Here are a few items that you're going to need. A clock, something you might have around the house. Embellishments of your choice. Mod Podge and a paintbrush, of course. Screwdriver, hot glue, glue sticks, and spray paint is optional. And this is the clock I started out with. I got a pre-owned clock from Goodwill 3 or 4 years ago. This was my inspiration. This is a mirror, and I was going to use a Dollar Tree wreath for that, but I did not want to spend money on a mirror, so I googled clocks, glam clocks, glitter clocks on the internet, and this is just one of the many that came up. So I decided to do a mixture. Here I was just trying to figure out what I was going to do, trying out different things to see what was going to work. I didn't use this style, and here's some other ideas that I came up with after I put the glitter on. That didn't really hit me, so I tried something else. And I thought about using this one, but it wasn't quite me, it wasn't quite what I wanted. So let's get started and I'll show you what I ended up with. I took apart my $3 clock. The screws were behind. Make sure you keep everything handy so you'll have your screws to put back in. And this is what the clock looked like after I took the frame off of it. And one thing I want to point out is make sure you clean your glass really good before you put it back in place. Now I know I could have did more on the face of this, but this for right now is all I decided to do, was to use some jewels. And what I did do with the wood frame, after I wiped it down with a dry cloth, I took it outside and spray painted it with my 2X Rust-Oleum metallic silver. You see my Mod Podge, got that from Dollar Tree. Also the glitter from Dollar Tree. And these are the items that I end up using, additional items that I ended up using here. I wasn't quite satisfied with the glitter from Dollar Tree, so I ran out to Joann's and got some chunky glitter. And this is where I first started with the Mod Podge and the Dollar Tree glitter. Here it looks okay, but it didn't quite give me the glitz that I wanted. So I went ahead and tried to add more. Waited for it to dry just to see what it looked like, because I really didn't want to run out to Joann's or Michael's. So after I sprinkled more Dollar Tree glitter on, I let that dry, and then I shook the excess off of it. And of course I put the excess back into the bottle. And this is what I ended up with. As you can see, it wasn't enough glitz. I wanted more glitter, more glitz, more sparkle. So off to Joann's I went. I picked up the chunky glitter. It was only $4.99, plus I had a coupon. I did buy some sequins as well, but I ended up not using those. Here is the finished look, and I think it looks amazing. I did brush off the rest of the glitter with the dry brush from the glass. I just love it, and it shines so bright at night, even in the dark. I just want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please share with your friends and family. And don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you liked about it, what you are thinking about doing. I hope this encourages you to step out of your box and out of your comfort zone and do some creating of your own. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Bobby Rose DIY Home. Until next time, bye-bye.